Others want to make sure everything is right before they put a tractor on the line. See? Look out. Ready? Falling out of the air. We'll see if they're